Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a project share for scrapdivadesigns.com. You guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase on scrapdivadesigns.com. Okay, guys, I'm going to have the videos that I mentioned listed down below. If you guys have not seen the unboxing of the October release for Scrap Diva Designs, where have you been? Okay, she's got these beautiful dies. I've been having so much fun playing with these. And they are this beautiful dark teal color. And this die right here that I'm sharing is the Pumpkin Mini Album number 2. So you guys check out Pumpkin Album number 1 from last year, I believe it was. It's a really cute die as well. But this is the new one, guys. And I'm obsessed with this design. It's such a beautiful pumpkin. So you get the outline, which is this piece here. You get the layering piece, which has the stitching, and it's so beautiful. And then you get this main piece here, which is gonna not only cut out your pumpkin, but it's gonna also emboss these pumpkin lines. Such a cute die set, you guys. It also comes with these pieces to create like a jack-o'-lantern face, but I didn't use these. You can use this for the nose. These spiders are supposed to be for the eyes, so if you're into like Halloween. And then you have the layering pieces. I love this, guys. This pumpkin is such a beautiful pumpkin. Like I said, it's great for fall. So you get the little squigglies to adorn it here, and then you also get the stump, which is so cute. So let me show you guys what I created with this die set. I knew that I wanted to make like a little, make like a little embellishment type of book. I wanted to really use the pockets from the new Memorydex card die, guys. If you don't have that in your stash, it's a must-have, 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 must-have. I'm going to have it linked down below along with my video on how to use that die set. But this is what I created, you guys. I wanted to put pockets in here and have like a little open book. So here's the back. Look at this beautiful paper. It's so gorgeous. I used some white cardstock to layer it. And then my base is made out of pink 110-pound cardstock. And I just embellished it. These leaves are from the new Acorn mini album. I can't wait to show you guys that one. I used some of my ephemera pieces. Of course, you know, I had to put a bow, guys. You cannot have your pumpkins out here without no bows, okay? Every pumpkin should have a bow. So pretty. I used some seam binding for the side so that you can open it up like so. So let's open it up. So I did cut out the pockets of that pocket die, box die Memorydex card, but I didn't end up using it. I just used the bottom of the box here. Look at how pretty, you guys. And then you can stuff it with goodies. I think that I'm going to leave it without the cover. I did cut the covers out, so you can actually do it like this. And then, you know, they can open up the box. But I like the idea of having it open space. That way that you can, you know, put taller embellishments in here, you know what I mean? So that's what I did, guys. And if I did this again, I would definitely move these pockets over more so that when it closes, there's not a gap right here. So I would put those right here. But I love the way this project came out, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. This is a must-have. This pumpkin is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with these little swirlies. And then the layering piece, like, look at how pretty it is. It's just a really cute design. So that is it. That's my project for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Snatch the Scrap Diva Designs October release, guys. It is so pretty. I'm having so much fun. I have a lot of projects that I'm working on right now, and I'm trying to finish them up for you guys, but I had to stop for a second and finish up this one. I just finished embellishing the front, and I love the way it came out. You can put a pack of bows in here, some thick embellishments, because it's like I want to say it's a ½ inch thick, these little pockets. So you can put a nice amount of items in there. And so these leaves, again, are from the Acorn set. You can see the embossing on the paper right here a little bit. It's just such a beautiful die, you guys. Snatch this die. I had a lot of fun playing with it. And again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.